This is your Linux administration is maximum completed. Okay. Even how much you can able to do and practice, that is based on a. Okay. So this is my ls. I have two files are there in my second client computer. Guys, I want to tell about a SCP first. SCP. Can anybody tell what is CP?
It's for copy.
Yes, very good. For copy, you can copy a files and directories within the system, right? This is within the system. Half-day classes. That is, we don't know. Okay, so we'll see. We'll talk tomorrow about it. So I'm also not concentrating on anything. SCP is also a copy only. Only it is secure copy. Secure copy. Okay, this is okay. We can copy a file or a folder. I'm telling a file to other Linux system. Some people call that one as a box, Linux box. One Linux box to another Linux box. It means two Linux PCs, two Linux virtual machines, two Linux computers. Okay, to copy a file from one Linux PC to other Linux PC WinSCP. So here it is. In this one, both the systems are SSH is enabled. It works based on SSH. Okay, SSH is used for SCP. Okay, so SSH must be given. So look at here, ls space -a SSH is also showing. So two files are showing in my 14114 PC. Okay, so I'm going to this PC, same thing, ls space -a dot ssh. See, two files only showing. Now magic will happen. Let's see. Okay, you can copy that these files from here to there. Okay, that is called a copy SSH ID. This is very important. Copy SSH copy ID command is there. Leave it. Why is this? Okay. Yeah, both are enabled with SSH, guys. So we'll do SCP only. Actually, you can copy the SSIDs. Sorry, you can copy SSH copy ID. Okay, to remote machine. So 192.168.0.128. So you can send your private key to the remote PC like this. Okay, it will ask that PC is yes or no, and you want to copy or not, and the password. Okay, so you copied your key to the remote PC. Same as from here. So you can go to like this. See, authorized key means my 114 key is added here. My 114 key is added here. Okay. Same thing, SSH copy ID to root @192.168.0.114. Guys, this is a very important, not here, mainly important when you are doing Ansible kind of stuff. SSH based data transmission. SSH based data transmission. If you are doing that one, so definitely it is very useful. So copy the SSH keys. When you do that one, so put a -a/SSH. known host is added. Known host. It means known host contains remote PC information. Remote PC key. Remote PCs. Known host contains remote PC information. Okay. Authorized keys. It means like this. Okay. Exactly say both are for remote PCs, right? Both are for remote PCs, but authorized keys are came from remote PC. Known host files created, known host created from our PC, That's the difference. So these are the files. Known host means when you are connecting to remote PC, in your PC, known files will be created. Known host. It means trusted host file is created here. Okay, you can trust this host. When you are connecting, trusted host will be created here. Okay, that's the known host registry. Now you can control your remote PCs. SSH root @192.168.0.114. So you can directly log in. This is my PC is this one. This is PWD. Okay. Host name. See, host name is different. IP configuration is different. Okay. LS. See, these files are like this. So you can access one PC to another PC. You can access one PC to another PC. I'm not writing any description because I want to close this one now. Guys, I am here. Look at this is my PC only. I connected to myself only. So don't worry. LS G file 1 is there. G file 1 is there. SCP G file 1 I want to send to my remote PC through SCP like this. This is the command. Okay. I didn't give any verbose and it is not showing anything. We'll see. Is it copied or not? We don't know. Not copied. Not copied, and we don't know where it is copied. So again, if I'm trying same. Copy to /root. Now it is showing something, right? Now I'm going to here ls. Can you see G file 1? Yes, here it is. Like this, you can copy the files from here to there to here. I have a file 1 and file 2 here. SCP file 1 and 2, right? So then I will put a anything combination with the file root @ my remote PC is 114:/ into the root. I copied two files to my other system. Two files are copied. Yeah, this is because of this mistake. Okay, this is the copying from one PC to another PC. Okay, so this is SCP. And what is this WinSCP? The last one. WinSCP is like this. SCP, using SCP, you can copy files from here to there to here by protocol, SSH protocol as a back. And it is a secure copy. Why? Because secure copy, SSH is there. What is WinSCP? Guys, WinSCP is like this. I have a Windows system. Okay, I want to upload the data or download the data from the Linux. So I use WinSCP kind of stuff. Okay, WinSCP kind of stuff. So you can go to my system, my Windows system, where it is. WinSCP. It's a small application, free application, no need to pay anything, just a WinSCP application. So this is a mostly used in a administration side of Linux administration side. Why? Because of you have a data backup, you want to take it and all. So yeah, when I got to this backup kind of stuff, so I recollected my memory. See, SCP only protocol. I'm using different things, so cancel it. I'll creating a new one. You can create a new site. SCP 192.168.0.128. Port number 22. Username is root. Password is admin@123. Save it. Okay. Yeah. Log column. Folder. Okay. Okay. The password is important. So admin@123. Save it. Okay. Save password not recommended. Okay. Login. Okay. This is my PC. Left side one is my PC. Right side one is my remote PC. See, look at here. File 1, file 2, file 3, G1. This is my PC. Okay. I'm copying a file from my PC to my remote PC, like in a root. See, dp.py is created. So where is this? Here it is. ls. See, you can see this one. I want to read it. So that's dp. Okay. So this is a small Python program is there. Okay. So like this, we can upload also. We can upload from here to there, and we can download from there to here. Like this G file one, I want to upload here, but where it is located, app folder, dpython. So okay, you can change it also. You can change it also, but I didn't change it. Okay, I didn't change it. Yeah, that's it, guys. Understand WinSCP?
Yes, sir.
So here it is. File is came here. Okay, so upload and download the things. You can disconnect it once it is okay. Like this. So this is a SCP and kind of stuff. What I'm missing, okay, the missing thing is tar, zipping, compress, okay, archive, press, kind of stuff. Okay. In the compress, we use bzip 2 or a zzip. Okay, this kind of stuff. It is some more left. Okay, but I will send a videos for that one. I will check it and I will send how to do tar and compress. You can try to do it. 14 people. If anyone is there still left. That's it, guys. Bye bye. I'm closing also.